How's it going, guys? It's the Crypto Oracle here, and today we're going to talk about the all-new hybrid auto trading system in blockchain education. So if you're already a blockchain education member, then this is going to be basically a tutorial on how to set yours up. And if you're not already in blockchain education, you're going to want to check out the first link in the description, click on it, check out all the features, and join if you're ready. But I'm going to go ahead and show you everything it has to offer anyways, just because this just came out. The guys are super excited about it, and I want you guys to hear it first. So first, what is the auto trading system? If you're not in blockchain education already, then you have to be familiar with our calls system. Our calls system, all you got to do is click on the calls panel and go to official calls and check out the fastest moving calls or the hot coins. Basically, it's a bunch of trades that our completely professional technical analysts are making 24/7. And the auto trading system is going to go ahead and automatically act on those calls so that you don't have to be a present trader. You don't have to be on your phone or on your computer in order to catch these calls at the right time. As soon as that call is made, the auto trading system is going to go ahead and put in a market buy order for that coin at that suggested price. Obviously, the best part about this is it's all done by humans. Now, we do have automated algorithms and bots that are scanning coins, that are looking for possible uptrends that are going to happen or possible good bounces, but the humans are the ones that are checking out the charts, that are using the algorithms in order to help them make their calls. But again, all the calls are made by experts themselves, so that's how you can know you can trust these calls rather than just a bot that you buy online that's going to use like a ping pong method or Bollinger Bands or whatever. Those are going to be way less consistent than our call system. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you, if you are a member, how to go ahead and set up the hybrid auto trading system. It really is just a few clicks, especially if you already have the Binance API set up. So you're going to want to go to My Account and click on the Binance Exchange API key. This is going to allow the hybrid trading system to access your funds and your trades. This isn't letting our actual employees or anything access your funds. This is only allowing the trades to be placed based on your specificity. So however much you want to trade per call, whatever your options are in terms of how high you want to go for a trade before you sell. So it's all under your control, so don't be worried. This is very similar to if you're using some type of bot or if you're using a Coinigy or something. And once you have your API set up, you just go to My Account and then hybrid trading system, and you can get everything done in basically a couple clicks. Once the Binance API is connected, all of your account balances for Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar Tether, and BNB or Binance token are going to be displayed. And then from there, you're going to want to go down to auto buy amount. Auto buy amount is how much money you want to put into each call. Now, it's not exclusively Bitcoin. We also make calls against Ethereum, US dollar Tether, and BNB Binance. All this is doing is just giving you more options for better trades. There are a lot of great trades against the Ethereum and BNB pairs that just people don't trade, but our experts are doing it. They're trading against multiple pairs, not just Bitcoin. So this is just going to help you out. From there, you're going to have your auto sell percentage. So auto buy amount, you can set this to whatever you want, depending on what your current balances are. So if your balance on Binance is a total of like $1,000, remember you're going to want to start by trading small. You're not going to want to do $1,000 trade because that's going to allow you to jump into one call, and you're going to want multiple calls because that allows you to have more of your Bitcoin free for making your own calls, learning, making your own trades, stuff like that. Everything that we push in blockchain education. So set this to whatever you want. Let's say you have $1,000 in the account. I would start with like $25 just to start out, maybe even $50. But again, we're making a lot of calls each day just because there's so many opportunities right now. So you're going to want to start low here, and you're going to see that you can just build up and increase this amount as you wish. From there, you have your auto sell percentage. I like to keep this between 3 and 5%. That's how it's been working for me so far, but there has been success at other levels. So what 2% is going to do is once that call moves up by 2%, you can see it within our call system, how much each coin has moved up. Once it's moved up 2%, it's just going to sell. So you're going to grab a 2% profit point right there. Now, if you set it at 15 or 20, it might take a little bit longer for that coin to get up that high. So that's going to be a little bit of a riskier trade. Your safer trade is going to be the lower amounts. Just because it only has to go up by 3, 4, 5%, you grab those profits, you flip into the next trade, and then you're waiting for another 3, 4, 5%. And this can happen multiple times a day. Again, we're making dozens of calls a day. So if you set it at 2% and the auto trading system happens to get you into every call, and let's say they make 12 calls that day, then you're talking 2% times 12 calls. So it doesn't seem like a lot when you're looking at the individual calls, but remember, these are multiple calls. These are multiple trades that are just going to be stacking up your profits. So I would be wary on anything higher than somewhere around 20 to 25% unless you're sure that we're going to have a really good day in crypto. Sometimes I'll set mine to a little bit higher, maybe 5, 6, 7%, and that's whenever I believe there's going to be a better day for alts in crypto, and I know that we're going to see a lot of alts bouncing up, and I just want to cash in on a bunch of those bounces. Then you're going to want to go ahead and set it a little bit higher so that you can grab some more profits. So once you set this, let's say you set it to 5% or however or whatever amount you wish, you're just going to want to agree to the terms of use and the privacy policy. Again, standard stuff. Don't click deactivate auto trading system unless you won't have it already active and you want to turn it off. You can see up top mine says it's active, and then you're just going to want to click on I agree to market sell open orders after 14 days. So let's say a call doesn't happen to go up by 2% within 14 days after the call. That's very, very rare, but if you have yours set at 100%, so you're waiting for each call to flip 100% profit, that's probably not going to happen. And what you're going to see is that your orders from those calls are just going to market sell after the 14 days if you don't go up 100%. And that's another reason why you want to keep that auto sell percentage probably a little bit lower. So once you click that, all you do is click save and you're active. You're going to be getting into the next calls that are coming up and you're going to be ready to start flipping these. So all you have to do is watch your account balances each day and you can see it start to roll in. But then you can also go to your Binance app or your Coinigy app or whatever you have to look at your balances, and you can see the trades that are being entered and you can actually trade them yourself. So let's say you just want to use the auto trading system to get into calls and then you want to do your own technical analysis and see when you want to sell. That's perfectly fine. You can also do the other way that most people do, where it just does it all automatically for you and you can just go to work or go to school or do whatever you want to do and it's going to trade for you and get you some percentage points that you can log in and check out at the end of the day. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty fun to come back at the end of the day after not being on your computer or after doing other stuff all day. Come back, check out your Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar, and Binance balances, and they're up like 5-10% on the day. That's a pretty beautiful thing to see. So finally, I'm going to go ahead and check out the performance. So our performance page normally talks about our calls, but since we just launched our hybrid trading system, you can see that it actually shows our win trade percentages, the total transactions, buy and sell orders, win trade rate, and the total open orders. So you can see that our win trade percentage of 2%. This basically means that out of all the calls that had their auto sell percentage set to 2% profit, 90% of those were executed. So 90% of those 2% trades were profitable and hit the 2% marker. You can see the 3%, 87%, the 4% profit, 90% again, 5% has 89%. So you can see that 5% profit, setting your auto sell to 5% might actually be optimal right now because it's so similar to the 2%, since we're seeing that a lot of coins will actually go up a full 5% before coming back down, or go up a full 5% before you want to sell, rather than just the 2%. So we've been having some good days in crypto, and like I said, if you were having a little bit of a slower day in crypto, you can always scale back to 2-3%, and you're still going to be secured at those 90 and 87% profit rates. But again, I'm super excited about the new hybrid trading program. I'm using it myself. I'm seeing all the users of blockchain education having tons of success with it. I'm telling you, if you're not currently in blockchain education, now is the time to check it out. Go ahead and click the first link in the description. Check out all of our stats, our new videos. You'll learn how much we have to offer to professional traders that are looking to make money in crypto. It's absolutely a fantastic investment. You're seeing these trading bots themselves go for $500 a month for just the trading bot. And we have a completely sophisticated hybrid trading system that's not just a bot, but it's using actual human calls from our experts. And this is just the smallest segment of our program. So I'm telling you, click that link. We have tons to offer. Just check it out. And again, thank you guys for watching. This has been the Crypto Oracle. You can click the first link in the description to actually immediately get 15% off a monthly or annual membership to Blockchain Education. So that's where you're going to want to check it out. But again, thank you guys for watching. I'm really excited about this new system. It's been a lot of fun to check out and trade with. But again, thank you guys. This has been the Crypto Oracle. Good luck trading this week.